Is it time to buy or sell Alibaba stock? In this video, we will delve into Alibaba. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 13th of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 21st, 2025, our system has ranked Alibaba as a hold accumulate, giving it a score of 0. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. During this time, the stock has exceeded our expectations, showing a gain of 40% since we first recommended buying Alibaba 18 days ago. This amounts to an average return of 2.22% per day since it was categorized as hold accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system anticipates high volatility and risk for the following trading day. Given the latest developments, we find ourselves unable to predict the stock's next direction, as it could move in either direction. The stock has broken through a significant and robust rising short-term trend, indicating an even stronger rate of ascent ahead. Should there be any pullback, support is now established at the ceiling of the current trend, which was breached at $105.36. This level may present a second opportunity for those looking to capitalize on upward momentum. According to fan theory, $123.39 is projected to be the next potential peak level, acting as a resistance that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 20.27% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 12.13% to positive 6.1%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of 26.02% over the next year, with a potential return between negative 12.57% and positive 33.60%. This translates to a price range of $104.52 to $159.71 after a year. Our latest daily update for Alibaba includes the headline, "Evaluation of Alibaba stock downgraded after the last trading session." The Alibaba stock price increased by 1.02% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 13th of February, 2025, rising from $118.33 to $119.54. This marks the 6th consecutive day of gains. It is uncommon for stocks to rise for such an extended period, so a dip in price should be anticipated. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 4.19%, with a low of $114.76 and a high of $119.57. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and has increased by 16.35% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume decreased by 7 million shares on the last day, with a total of 34 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $4.09 billion. It is important to note that decreasing volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the stock was $119.81, while the lowest price was $68.36. Currently, the price is 0.23%, or 27 cents, below the 52-week high, and 62.56%, or $199.78 below the all-time high reached on October 27, 2020, when the price peaked at $319.32. Alibaba, also known by its ticker symbol BABA, is making headlines today with its newly confirmed partnership with Apple to integrate artificial intelligence features into iPhones sold in China. This strategic alliance is set to enhance Apple's competition in the world's largest smartphone market, where iPhone sales have recently seen a decline. The integration of Alibaba's advanced AI technology promises to rejuvenate Apple's offerings, catering to the growing demand for smarter devices among Chinese consumers. In the short term, this partnership is likely to generate positive momentum for Alibaba's stock price as investor sentiment improves, driven by the potential for increased revenues from Apple sales linked to its technology. Analyst ratings have also recently leaned towards buy for Alibaba, further supporting the notion that market confidence is rallying around Baba amidst this news. In the long term, the impact may hinge on the execution and consumer reception of these AI features. If successful, this collaboration could significantly bolster Alibaba's reputation as a leader in AI technology, enhancing its revenue streams and market position beyond e-commerce. However, it's important to note that while this partnership with Apple is significant, it may not serve as a panacea for all of Apple's challenges in China. Thus, the sustained growth in Baba's stock may still be influenced by broader market and economic conditions. Overall, the combination of a key strategic partnership and favorable analyst outlook sets a promising stage for Alibaba in both the immediate and future financial landscapes. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 10th of January, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned Alibaba a buy rating alongside a hold action. On Monday, the 18th of November, 2024, Susquehanna rated Alibaba as positive, also issuing a hold action. On Monday, the 14th of October, 2024, Barclays provided Alibaba with an overweight rating, again with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 9th of October, 2024, Morgan Stanley rated Alibaba as equal weight, accompanied by a hold action. On Monday, the 7th of October, 2024, Loop Capital Markets assigned Alibaba a rating of underperform with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Alibaba stock a general neutral rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as a sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a buy. The following signals have been identified for Alibaba. The Alibaba stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these averages, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. On any downward corrections, there will be support at levels $109.25 and $92.13. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Friday, January 10th, 2025, and thus far, the stock has risen by nearly 48.4%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day despite price gains, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor this stock closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 24 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 11 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 21 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 19 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 15 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 20 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 14 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 4 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for Alibaba. On the downside, the stock encounters support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $112.78 and $102.74. There is an inherent risk when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is breached, the stock could potentially decline to the next support level. In this scenario, Alibaba's support sits just below today's level at $112.78. If this level fails, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $102.74 and $96.72. This stock is subject to significant daily movements, indicating volatility, and with a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to carry a high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $4.81 between its high and low, which represents a 4.19% change. In the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 4.30%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Alibaba, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, consider the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is fairly typical, often observed in companies with established histories or stable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 12th of May, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Alibaba. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might want to enter a position and use volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, Alibaba encounters its first support level at 112.78. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $116.17, which reflects a decrease of 2.82%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, contributing to a higher risk profile. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 84, further escalating the risk involved. Additionally, there is a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom identified 23 days ago. Is Alibaba stock a good buy? Alibaba presents several positive indicators. However, we do not consider these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting that one should either hold on to their shares or accumulate more while awaiting further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our recommendation for this stock from a strong buy to a hold or accumulate position since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 14th of February, we anticipate that Alibaba will open lower by $1.58, starting at a price of $117.96. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. Therefore, it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before you decide to buy or sell any securities. Do not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.